Moving on, from Kishore Kumar of Nagaland to lone Naga anti-tobacco campaigner, in today's episode, let us introduce you to someone who is an epitome of passionate music enthusiast and a true fighter.
Yodeling to the legendary song by Kishore Kumar, Chuba has enlivened many occasions, compelling the audience to tap and dance into his buoyant voice. Chuba CJ, a singer from Nagaland, has enthralled many well-known figures and celebrities with his singing talent. He had his moment in the sun when his gifted voice bestowed him the title of Kishore Kumar of Nagaland. But today, his life has a different story to tell. His zest for singing was put on hold when he was diagnosed with oral cancer 11 years ago.
I have experienced the after effects, the dangerous effect of abuse of tobacco products. I was a heavy user of Rajnigandha, Talab, and all those gutkas. You name it. Well, there isn't any one brand which I haven't used. But then the result of what I did was I got oral cancer, and it was detected at the last stage. It was the fourth stage. The doctors replaced my cheek with this. If you can show this, with this, they took this out, and then they replaced it into my cheek. So the saliva doesn't come into my mouth; it comes to my eye. So I look teary-eyed all the time.
Well, I believe it is my destiny as God's will. So I will serve my husband. I think very highly of my husband. I love him and respect him. And I pray to God so that our financial problem be solved and my husband get well one day.
According to a report by Indian Council of Medical Research, in recent years, the northeastern region is witnessing an alarming rise in the number of cancers due to massive use of tobacco consumption. Drawing the moments from his fight against oral cancer and observing rising tobacco cases in the region, Chuba became the lone campaigner against tobacco abuse and started sharing his testimony in schools whenever he gets an opportunity. Not just that, he started investing his time in maintaining his health and fitness.
I want everybody to understand the meaning of use and abuse. Use is one time, two times. Abuse is every time. Everything on earth is created by God. It's discovered to be eaten, to be drunk, or whatever. But then, again there is a saying, too much of everything is bad. So, too much of tobacco is intoxicating and it is dirty.
To resume his passion after his treatment, Chuba started uploading his performances on the internet. The jolly sound of his melodies has recaptured the heart of many. Running his fingers through the strings of Hawaiian guitar, Chuba echoes his love for God and yet again continues to cast out the shadow of despondency from his life.